Hello and welcome. This is Mudasir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about break command. For example, if you want to just break the object into parts, you can use this command. So this command is in modify panel and you can see this is the icon for break command. Okay, so I will click to activate this one. Okay, then it is asking about break, select object that you want to break. Okay, so I just want to break this line, so I will select this one. Then I will just right click here and here is one option, that is first point. Now I will select this one. Now it is asking about specify first point or first break point. Okay, from where you want to break. For example, I want to break from mid to this point. Okay, so I will just give second point here. Now you can see here that this line is going to break from mid. Okay, again I will go into the modify to activate this one. Okay, and then I will select that particular object that I want to break. I will select this one, right click, I will go into the first point option, and I just want to break from this point to this point. Okay, now you can see this line is going to break from here to here. Again I will go into the modify, I will activate this one, I will select that particular object and right click, I will go into the first point and I will give first point as a midpoint and again midpoint as a second point. Okay, now you can see this line is just break into two lines. Now I just want to break this circle from this point to this point. Okay, so I will activate this break command from here. Okay, I will select that particular object, right click, and I will go into first point option. Now I want to just break from this part to this part. Okay, so you can see it is break into half part. Okay, now I want to just break this rectangle as well. I will go into the modify, I will activate this line, I will select that particular object, right click, first point. Okay, now I will just break from this point to this point. Okay, now you can see here this rectangle is also going to break. So this is how we can use break command. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.